Artlist.io.
Alright guys, welcome back to another Simply Kamellen video. I just got back from the supermarket. It is fast becoming one of the places that I dread going the most. Yeah, supermarket, Ixnay, on the Ixnay. I'm gonna be packing away some of the things as I tried to say before, and I'm gonna show that to you in a second. I also did a whole breakfast thing before I went out because I didn't want to go on the road hungry, even though I still ended up buying a coffee. I still ended up buying a coffee and a patty. Got a night to eat sweet. And I'm back home now. Gonna pack away and then do a quick run through with a cleanup in the kitchen. Alright?
Music licensing reimagined.
The place is hot. I dreaded going out, and I was right. I went out with a certain amount of money. I'm going to show you the receipt afterwards, and I'm going to run through what I was able to get for that amount of money. And that also is inclusive of gas. I just bought a small amount, so considering all that, I'm going to show you all of what I got. Whatever is not here or has already been consumed, I will let you guys know so that we can add those to the cost as well. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I was able to get 6 of these bag noodles. There are 6 of them there. I think they're about 4. Alright. Well, if they fall, I can take them up. I got 2 cup soup noodles, 2 Lascos, and these are the big 400 gram ones. I got Milo. Alright guys, so I had to start again, so let's go again. So I got a big ketchup, a 750 ml ketchup. I got a small oil, bottle of oil. I got 6 of these cup noodles. I got 2 of these 400 gram Lascos. I got 2 cock soup noodles. I got a pack of Milo, a bottle of lemon juice, 1 small mayonnaise. This is 1 small beef. I got 3 tins of sardines. I got a packet of black pepper. You just buy the tiny packs, you know, those tiny plastic packs, and that tends to run out pretty quickly, obviously. Alright, so I got a pack of garbage bags. I got a bottle of all-purpose seasoning. I got 4 of these Tang drink mix. I know that these will last me a while because I really don't use them as often, but I need it, especially now in the summer. I got a loaf of bread. I got this Lasco Choco Craze cereal. I got a 5-pound parcel of rice. I got 3 banana chips here. Let me see if I'm missing anything else. Alright, so in this I got a pack of sanitary napkins. I got a new toothpaste for her. I'll tell you the story behind this new toothpaste. I got 1 bar of soap. This is just a top up from what I have. And I got a bottle of Pal disinfectant. It smells so very good. I'm going to show you down here. Alright, so I bought a roll of toilet paper. I got a 4-pack deal. I really don't fancy these popcorns, but my daughter wanted to try it, and because she loves these ones here, I figured this would be a good deal to get it because there's a deal going on. I got a bottle of peanut butter, creamy peanut butter, member selection. So even though I wasn't able to make it to Price Mart a couple weeks ago, I'm very grateful that I was able to get this because she loves it so much. So having this size, this is a what, 40-ounce container. This is amazing. I got a bottle of syrup because she loves syrup. I love to make toast with the bread. I got 1 tin of condensed milk. I got a pack of salt. I always buy extra salt. And this 4-pack of cream crackers. Alright, so that's what's in that box. Alright, in this box here, I got some breakfast stuff and meat. This is a pack of mozzarella cheese sticks. I got a pack of frankfurters, a small pack of what's it called, chicken nuggets. I got a 3-pound parcel of chicken foot and another 3-pound parcel of chicken parts. Now this entire bag is breakfast and soup and lunch and all of that. Let me see what else I got as well. Alright, so the last thing I got was a 6-liter bottle of iCool water. Yes, Imani? Would you like a snack now?
Yes, please.
Oh, she had something, but for some strange reason, the cat over my eat out in belly. Alright, so all of that I just showed you, it came up to $17,985. And if you add $2,000, I contributed to the gas, $2,000 for the gas. I stopped and I bought a cup of coffee, which is $3.50, an orange juice for her, and a patty, and it came up to $900. So it's $20,200. Is that correct? 20,900. That's the amount of money I spent just going on the road, and this is what I got. Let me turn it around quickly. So this is the total. Now this is the receipt here. Let's see if it can focus. So 17,985. I just rounded off to 18,000. Now, I'm not saying that I'm not grateful to be able to buy all this. I'm just saying the price of goods are going up so much, it terrifies me to go out. Because I know that in another 2 weeks, depending on some of the things here, I may have to go back on the road again. So, yeah, that's it for the grocery haul today.
Artlist.io.
It's more than enough to let the light in. The way you're making me feel, it's divine. It's enough to let it flow, let it be. 'Cause you're everything.
Music licensing reimagined.
I crave in this life. 'Cause we're everything we can't find in another life. Take my hand and my promises, they're yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you.
Artlist.io.
Keep my heart and my honor is yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you for the rest of my life.
Music licensing reimagined.
My life for the rest of my life. You're in my sight, in my mind, in the quiet and the upfront out loud, in the calm, in my spirit and the storm.
Artlist.io.
'Cause you're everything that I crave in this life. 'Cause we're everything we can't find in another life.
Music licensing reimagined.
My hand and my promises, they're yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you.
Test.io.